The GLK license plate backup camera delivers a clear, detailed image that makes reversing and parking feel much more controlled and predictable, even on older head units. Its night performance stands out with a sensitive sensor and multiple light-emitting diodes that keep the view usable in very low light without blowing out nearby objects. The wide viewing angle and adjustable lens help reveal blind spots behind the vehicle, which is especially reassuring in tight parking lots and crowded driveways. Being able to configure it as either a front or rear camera and to toggle parking guidelines makes this a flexible option for different vehicles and driving preferences. The sturdy metal housing and strong water resistance rating give confidence that the camera can handle regular road grime, heavy rain, and winter conditions without fogging. A long included video cable and straightforward license plate mounting simplify installation for many do-it-yourself owners, reducing the need for extra parts or professional labor.